Hey everybody! I'm here today to show you how to insert a SIM card on an iPhone 12. This will be a super easy tutorial, so let's get right into the video. As you can see right here, I have my iPhone 12, and if you look on the side over here, you're going to see a SIM card slot. Now, with your iPhone 12, you likely received, hopefully, this SIM card slot removal tool. There is a little tiny little hole on the SIM card slot. You're going to take the tool or any other device that will do the same thing, because many things are shaped like this, right? And you're going to place it inside of that little hole and push. Okay? When you push, like I did right there, so I pushed there, and you can see the SIM card slot is now removable, okay? So now we can take our SIM card and we can place it on there. Now your SIM card only goes in one way. You want to make sure that you're inserting your SIM card with the gold part facing up and in the right orientation. I'm taking my SIM card here on the side and doing it properly, getting it oriented properly. So as you can see, we have the gold part facing up and in the right orientation. Now I'm going to place my very small SIM card on that slot, and it just slides in there perfectly. Once again, gold side facing up and in the right orientation. Now I'm going to take the SIM card and I'm going to push it back in the phone just like this. So I'm going to slide it back in there. It only goes in one direction, and now the SIM card is good to go. That's how to insert the SIM card on an iPhone 12. Very easy to do, very simple and straightforward. If you like this video, please be sure to give it a thumbs up. Let me know what you think down below as a comment, and of course be sure to subscribe for more great videos just like this one. And that's all I have for you today. Thanks for watching.